Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the SQL Server service is running and TCP/IP is enabled in SQL Server Configuration Manager, because Ssms needs a network protocol to connect. Once done, open Ssms and choose New Query or Connect Database Engine. Enter the server name exactly as host /instance, or IP, port. Select Authentication. Windows uses your current account. SQL login requires username and password. Make sure the server is reachable. If not, pause and check firewall and service state. Once credentials are entered, focus on authentication and advanced settings so your connection behaves predictably. Select Windows Authentication for integrated security or SQL Server authentication when using a specific login. Avoid SA unless required. Click Options, then Connection Properties to set default database, network protocol priority, and timeout values. This prevents lockups on slow networks. Also set Encrypt and Trust Server Certificate per your security policy so data in transit is protected. After adjusting, click Connect and watch Ssms populate Object Explorer. You finish by confirming the connection. Object Explorer should show the server and expanding databases verifies visibility. Run a quick test query, such as select top 1 asterisk from SYS databases to confirm permissions and responsiveness. If connection fails, read the Ssms error message carefully and act on it. Common fixes include enabling TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager, opening port 1433 in the firewall, ensuring the SQL Server browser service is running for named instances, and checking SQL Server error logs for authentication or network errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.